Guys, I'm gonna be so lame about this, but I've been trying to film. The lighting is too much, or I don't know, and I'm holding the camera. I was gonna, like, at this point, I'm not even gonna set it up because this isn't about me being behind the camera. This is about my hands and my work being behind the camera. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.
First time I was seen when I wake up in a ration. Whatever you go, then I'ma take up.
Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. I know I don't look the best. Yeah, I haven't done my hair. Like, I shaved it on the sides. It's not looking the best, but it's okay. And yeah, I'm using my front camera because the back camera seems to be doing too much, like with the lighting. So I'm just like, okay, it's sharp, you don't want to. But I made a stationery box. Best time ever. It was really fun. Very time consuming. I messed up a lot of the artwork I was supposed to do, especially the patterns on like the middle box. I'm currently looking at it, that's why I was looking. But yeah, so everything I thought it was gonna be, it was, except for the drawers. I removed the whole drawer idea, and my dad was like,
is it gonna like wear off real quick?
and I was like, maybe you're right. Okay. And then I did it because also it meant less work for me, even though I like created like some parts for it, but it was fine. Anyways, so this is it. It was a time lapse no, it was literally just a time lapse. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys find it informative and helpful and everything. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, and leave a comment below on what DIYs y'all want to see next, because like, I mean, I'm on this, guys. I'm on this. Ik is op het. Lindy. Hello. So voiceover Lindy here. I have decided that I'm just going to talk you guys through what I did. This first part is literally me just planning what I wanted my thing to look like and what I wanted it to have. So as you guys can see, I added drawers in this draft, but eventually I kind of just scrapped the idea, as I mentioned before. And then after I did my rough draft, I started measuring everything that I needed to measure, because measurements are super important. I used examples of like the longest things that I have so that I could use them as a guide, and then I just started writing down all my measurements. Do that. Don't sleep on yourself. And then I got to work and I started cutting my cardboard pieces. So I cut every single piece that I needed to cut before I got into the artwork, because truly, guys, if you do not cut everything first, you are going to put yourself through the most. So before you put anything together, just cut everything out first. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys here. After that, you will basically see me put everything together and paint it. And putting things together, I used craft glue, and yeah, and also the paper that I used to wrap all my cardboard pieces with. I don't know why I did that. I think I was doing it so that my paint would look nicer, because I ended up not even using that much paint. I ended up using mostly ink, black ink, but you guys will see. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys find it helpful, if anything. It's a time lapse, so it's moving really fast. So if you're confused about anything, let me know in the comments. I don't even know if people watch DIYs and do it afterwards. I never used to do it, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, guys, let's go. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work, or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years or 3 years maybe, and I dated at Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million in dollars.